Hey everyone. Welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic that can leave many car owners scratching their heads: electrical problems in your vehicle. Whether it's flickering lights or a dead battery, we'll cover the most common issues and how to diagnose them. Let's get started. Signs of electrical problems. First, let's talk about the signs that you might have electrical issues. Here are some common symptoms to watch for: dimming or flickering lights. If your headlights or dashboard lights are dimming or flickering, it could indicate a failing alternator or a weak battery. Dead battery. A battery that frequently dies may be a sign of an electrical drain or a bad battery. Electrical accessories malfunctioning. If your power windows, locks, or radio aren't working properly, it could be due to wiring issues. Warning lights on the dashboard. Keep an eye on those dashboard warning lights. If the battery light or check engine light comes on, it's time to investigate. Common causes of electrical problems: corroded battery terminals. Corrosion can create poor connections, leading to starting issues. Faulty alternator. The alternator charges your battery while the engine runs. If it's failing, you might notice your battery light coming on. Blown fuses. A blown fuse can stop electrical components from functioning, so checking your fuses can be a quick fix. Wiring issues. Frayed or damaged wires can cause shorts and malfunctions, requiring a careful inspection. How to diagnose electrical problems. Visual inspection. Start with a visual inspection. Look for any signs of corrosion, loose connections, or damaged wires. Use a multimeter. A multimeter can help you check battery voltage and alternator output. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts. Check fuses. Locate the fuse box and check for any blown fuses. Replace them if necessary. Scan for codes. If your check engine light is on, use an OBD2 scanner to read any trouble codes. This can provide clues about what's wrong, when to seek professional help. While some issues can be fixed at home, others require professional help. If you're unsure or uncomfortable diagnosing the problem, it's best to consult a mechanic. They have the tools and expertise to pinpoint the issue quickly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car tips. Have you experienced any electrical problems with your car? Share your stories in the comments below. Drive safe, and see you next time.